Good morning, students. I'm Mr. Shahul Amir. I'm going to teach for class 4 social studies. Today, we are going to learn about lesson 3 India Physical Features part 1. It is a mountain. It is a plain. It is a desert. It is a plateau. It is an island. There are several landforms present on the Earth's surface such as plains, plateaus, mountains, hills, islands and deserts. In this chapter, you will be learn about the northern mountains. Northern mountains. The Himalayan ranges present in the northern part of our country. These ranges bordered by the Karakoram and Indus ranges in the northwest, the Tibetan Plateau in the north and the Indo-Gangetic Plain in the south. Himalaya is a Sanskrit word which means Hima, snow, and Alaya, abode. The Himalayas stretch from east to west for 2400 km. It varies in width from 400 km in the west to about 150 km in the east. The Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges. The Great Himalayas are Himatri range. The Middle Himalayas are Himachal range. The Lesser Himalayas are Sivalik range. The Great Himalayas. The Great Himalayas are the northernmost and the highest of all the Himalayan ranges. The average height of this range is about 6000 meter. The world highest peak, Mount Everest, 8848 meter, lies here. Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parbat and Nanda Devi are some of the highest peaks situated in of Himalaya of this range. The range also has many mountain passes. A route through a mountain is called a mountain pass. The Great Himalayas are covered with snow throughout the year. Many glaciers are present in this range of the Himalayas. Glaciers are large masses of moving ice. It is not possible to grow crops in this region as it is very cold throughout the year. The Middle Himalayas. The Middle Himalayas are found between the Great and the Lesser Himalayan ranges. The height of the Middle Himalayas varies between 3700 meter and 4500 meter. Many beautiful valleys like Kashmir, Kulu and Gangra are situated in this range. Hill stations like Simla, Mussoorie, Nainital and Darjeeling are also located in this range. This region is well suited for growing crops. The thick forest of the middle Himalayas consist of trees such as pine, oak, fir, walnut, spruce and juniper. These trees are useful to us in many ways. This range is also famous for apple orchards and tea plantations. The Lesser Himalayas. The Lesser Himalayas are the southernmost range of the Himalayas with an average height between 900 meter and 1200 meter. This range is made of mud, sandstone and soft rocks. It is not a continuous range like the other two ranges. The Purvanchal range lies to the northeast of India. It covers the states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Tripura, Nagaland, Meghalaya and Mizoram. This region is well suited for growing rice, vegetables, pulses and sugarcane. Terrace farming is practiced on the slopes of this region. In this type of farming, the slopes of a hill are cut into steps and crops are growing on them. Importance of the northern mountains. The Himalayas have saved us from many invasions in the past. They act as a barrier to the cold winds blowing from Central Asia in winter. They stop the rain bearing winds from leaving the country. Thus, they cause heavy rainfall in many parts of northern India. Many rivers originate from the northern mountains. These rivers bring down fertile soil to the northern plains. The forests provide valuable wood and medicinal plants. These mountains are home to a variety of animals such as yak, goat, mouse deer, sheep, tiger and rhinoceros. Many tourists visit the Himalayas for adventure sports such as paragliding and river rafting. Okay children, next class we will discuss about another topic. Thank you children. Bye.